Oh, what do we have here? Racist sisters meet karma after harassing a woman at Sam's Club.
On February 7th, 2026, officers were dispatched to Sam's Club in response to a report of a physical altercation between customers.
Hi, are you guys having some kind of disturbance here?
Yeah.
What's going on?
One of the ladies, she's in by the cereal aisle right now.
Okay.
And one of the other members, I'm guessing they left already, so I don't see them.
Okay, where's the person who called?
She's over here.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Here, let's get out of the way here. What's going on?
So there was a black woman and a high schooler blocking the way. Wait. And I said, excuse me. I go, excuse me. The kid heard me. He moved over. And then the one girl goes to me, you didn't say excuse me, blah, 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 and started the shit with me. And I was like, yeah, I did. And she goes, no, you didn't. And I'm like in the middle of the aisle there, and she's here.
This aisle here?
2 aisles over, cereal aisle. But like, I'm just right there, and she's over here. And then she starts saying, I'm gonna, who do you think you are? About this swearing and going on at me. Then she came over after me and physically attacked me. Like, she came over, grabbed my arm, grabbed my hand, tried to take my arm back. These are like girls in her 20s. And then the other girl, and there's...
This is the girl in pink that grabbed you?
No, the girl with her. The other girl with her is crazy.
What was she?
So the pink girl took the other girl off me, and I was by myself.
So the one in pink pulled the other one off you?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, but she's
And then they just started walking off?
No, they were screaming and saying, you're saying all this racist. I didn't say one racist ever in a million years, anything. They're saying... Then they're videotaping me. I'm like, I'm calling the police.
Were you injured at all during this encounter?
No, I'm okay. No, I'm fine. I appreciate that. This arm just came out of a cast. Oh, that's the kid. That's the kid who was with them.
Yeah.
Oh.
Where's the young lady with the pink that was
He just walking by casually and shit.
What happened between you and this nice lady? Okay.
There they are.
Somebody has been watching their crime shows. This little boy say, I plead the fifth.
You guys put your hands on.
He didn't do anything, but he was there.
What did the ones that jumped her have on?
They had on them little body, them little pink stretch pansy things, what they be
Like a
wearing.
bodysuit or like leggings?
Like just the leggings, yeah, the leggings.
Pink leggings?
Yeah, pink leggings, and one had on gray leggings.
Not a fresh BBL.
But only one of them jumped on this lady.
Well, the one that jumped on her, what was she wearing?
Gray leggings.
Gray leggings?
Yeah.
It's over here?
Hey, I'm right here. What's going on? What's going
Are
on?
you guys all together?
What's going on?
Here, let's step over there so we're out of the aisle.
What's going on? Because there's a lot of people right here. Like, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Because I'm a...
Okay, first of all, no one said that. Apparently.
She did say that. How you gonna say she didn't
Well,
say
I
that?
haven't talked to her.
Okay, so how you gonna say she didn't say that
Well,
though?
I didn't say.
That's your first thing you say.
Okay.
She didn't say that though.
Did I say that she said it? Or did I say no one said that? Okay.
So, you just said she didn't
how
say
about
that.
this?
That's
I
what
didn't
you
say
just
she.
said.
She still shopping?
Okay,
Bring it
so
down a
what's
little
up?
bit.
What's up? What's up? What we doing?
Security guard pointed you out. I guess you guys were involved in some sort of physical altercation. Okay.
It wasn't no run the cameras back.
What?
Run the cameras back.
How am I gonna run the cameras back if I'm
Well,
still here?
ask them. Can y'all run the cameras
So,
back?
I need your ID first.
I don't have an ID. Sorry.
Okay, what's your name then?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Beyonce knows.
Okay, do you have anything saying so?
You said what?
Do you have any paperwork or
No,
any
I
sort of
don't.
ID?
Sorry.
Okay. What about
You
your
want to take it
membership?
to go get fingerprinted? You can do that too if you want to.
I mean, if we could go that route, we could go
No,
that
because
route.
that's pissing me off. She fucking lying.
Why they being so difficult?
Do you have your ID with you?
I don't have an ID. Who touched her?
None?
Who touched
Okay.
her?
These nuts.
So look at the video. Yeah, you'll see her. But it wasn't my arm that twirled.
And she grabbed your arm, you said?
Yes, she did. Can y'all run the camera? Y'all don't have a way to run the cameras back?
Yeah, here, let me check my phone real quick. Oh, the camera's off.
Okay, I don't want to talk.
I love it.
Can we?
If you come at me with the same amount of respect, then I'll respect you.
I just told you she
Did I
called me
not?
that,
Okay.
and you said she didn't say
And
that.
words are words.
I don't give a. It's, I
Words
don't care.
are
Don't call
words.
me no.
Words are words. You know how many times I get called shit?
You right. Words are words. You
Exactly.
right. You right. But did I touch her?
No, you're right. I get called.
She did.
I get called a wet. It's
Oh, wow.
fucking derogatory terms to my race.
We've been through some shit. It's Black History Month, so of course a white honky don't play with us because it's Black History Month. Of
Oh,
course.
God.
They're mad.
See, that's not helpful, right? Do you mind, would you be able to help me kind of get them to calm down? Would you be able to do that for me?
He ain't gonna be able to do
Because
shit.
she's like not even happy that we're talking to her and we're just trying to do our job.
She grabbed it here hard, like real, not light, like really hard. It was like,
Okay.
yeah, right there's her nail scratch. You see it right there.
Now you gotta
So
get a
one
tetanus
with
shot.
The reddish hair is the one who grabbed you?
It's the one.
Not the one in the pink, but the one with the reddish hair.
Yeah, she's
Okay.
wearing the pink hat.
And what would
he
you?
was like,
Okay.
you could see.
And what can we do to help you out
Well, what could we do? I mean, I just got tapped.
today? Okay. So did you take pictures of her arm?
Yeah, you could see the nail scratch.
All right. So basically, you know, her putting her hands on you is a battery.
Yeah.
Right? So
I want to
do
file
it.
charges.
Okay. All right. So we'll need you to stick around so you can sign the
Perfect.
form.
Hit me with her card, and all I said was, "You can't say excuse me now."
She okay. She okay.
Stop recording me, weirdo.
Who recording?
You on body cam, babe?
Okay.
I can record too.
It's
I'm
fine.
right
You guys
here.
are being recorded right now.
That's fine. I'm on camera. That's fine. But a civilian, whatever they want to call me, don't record me.
What you recording for?
Well-
You got your shit all like. What are you recording
Ma'am, do me a
for?
favor. Can you talk to me and tell me what happened?
I don't know what happened.
Okay. Well, I need you to stop moving around. You're detained right now. Okay.
I'm detained.
Yes. So what happened between you and this lady over
Nothing
here?
happened. She bumped my sister with her cart. My sister
Okay.
said, "Ma'am, you can't say excuse me." She said, "I did fucking say excuse me." She get to talking stuff.
And I said, "Her say excuse me."
And she didn't
said,
say
"I'm
excuse
the
me."
police, right? And I said, "Call
So
me."
you
She
said
got
excuse me to
she
her?
got in my face. She got in both of our faces talking stuff. She grabbed my hand and
Nobody
bent my
touched
fingers
her.
back.
They don't have
I never
no cameras
touched
that y'all
her.
can roll back. They
So
don't have
she
nothing
detained
that y'all
too?
can catch her, like, no
Yeah,
cameras.
well, she's there too, and we're trying to put it.
Nah, she playing the victim card, baby. She caught the police on y'all. Y'all should have called
So
first.
you're saying, so you're alleging that as you guys are saying, excuse me, just over this aisle dispute, she
Can I
pushes
She was being
your
rude.
fingers
She
back.
hit her with the car. She already.
She
Look,
seen
she had an
me
attitude
right
because
there.
me.
But she physically touched you.
Yeah, she physically touched me and physically hit her with her
You
car.
can't say excuse me.
The camera will show that.
I said
She got upset because
This is my weakness right here. I love me a good hood rap.
we was already standing right here. I didn't know she was behind us. So she's like, excuse me. And I'm like, okay. I'm telling my little cousin to move
I'm
over.
having a hard time hearing you over here. Can I talk to you over here?
Yeah, I really don't even know why she called the police. My thing is, she started the confrontation. All she said was, you didn't say excuse me. That's it, that's all.
Was there anyone that you see standing around us that saw this that isn't involved?
I don't know nobody in the store.
But did you see like anybody here?
No,
That,
I'm not sure.
'Cause so here's the issue that I'm having. Right, I'm gonna level with you. So she's alleging that you grabbed her by the arm.
On
Okay.
all three of my kids,
So-
I never touched her.
Well, okay,
She ain't lying. When a black woman say on her kid, she really mean it.
but that doesn't
I
help
never
me,
touched
right?
her.
I understand. So what we're having here is a problem where she's alleging you touched her first. However, now I'm talking to you,
She
right?
put her phone
And
on
you're,
my face. I said, ma'am, don't record me. So when I
Uh-huh.
put my hand right here, she grabbed my
that's
hand
when
and
she
bent my
grabbed your
fingers
finger.
back.
Okay.
Yes,
So she like pushed them back.
She
on you.
bent them back. She took my hand and went like this.
Okay, and this is when you were recording her.
She was recording me.
She was recording you.
Yes, and I said,
Oh man, and I would have got my hand full of baby powder, or I would have acted like it was baby powder, and I would have just said, "What did the 5 figures say to the face?" And then just yeah.
oh, because she said you didn't
So,
say excuse me.
so you put your hand up to tell
Yes,
her
I
like,
never
hey, don't.
touched her. This is how close
And so
we were.
she goes
took
like
my
that
hand
to you.
and bent. No, she took my fingers. Look, take my fingers, and she bent them like that.
Okay.
I never
I'll take your
touched her.
fingers.
Never touched her.
Did she leave any marks on you from this encounter?
Yes, she did. She bent my
Okay.
fingers back. She bent them backwards.
She bent them backwards?
She did like this.
Do you
Are
need
they
medical
broken?
attention right after
Not
that?
only medical attention, but
Okay.
I never
Alright.
physically touched her. Like I don't even know if she touched her. Don't know her.
You've never encountered her before?
Never know.
Never
It was
seen
the
her?
fact that she got upset because she said you didn't say excuse me. Well, she did not say excuse me. She started mocking. Then she called her one, called my little nephew a woman.
This woman right here. This is this
Well,
boy.
again, what people say, right? It's it's when things get physical that problem.
It never
So
got physical,
here's what I'm gonna try to do. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the staff to help us find footage of this because again, you guys are alleging. Again, I understand. I heard you out. Okay. At this point, I can't really say one way or the other. All right. She's alleging you touched her first,
She just
and you're
said,
alleging
"Like,
she
in the
touched
store,
you
I
first.
just want to get my stuff
So,
and go home. To my
I
children."
understand. We're gonna try to get this done as soon as possible. So do you have any form of ID with you?
I do not.
No. Okay. We'll take your name. I'm gonna have staff.
So you came to Sam's with no ID? That's bullshit. Cause they make you show your Sam's card in some of them before you can just walk in willy nilly.
I want to get my name because I just feel like this is not fair. Like I have other stuff going on. Okay.
Okay.
She got
we
other
can take you
cases.
out too, right? So when we have an allegation that something got physical, right? Now we need to
What got
investigate it.
physical? What got physical?
You told me she physically bent your
Right,
fingers
but I
back.
never touched her. I never touched her.
I'm not
I
asking you
asked
about
her.
that. You told me she
recorded
got
without my
physical with you,
permission.
right?
Yes, you recorded me without my permission. You put your phone in my face. I felt threatened. So yes, I put my hand right here and said, "Do not record me." I never once touched her.
And that's when she grabbed you.
Yes, and she grabbed
Okay,
my hand.
that's what I need to investigate because if she grabbed you, now I need to arrest her. So you're saying she touched you first, and she's saying you touched her first.
I
Do you
never
see the
touched
problem?
her. I put my hand right here so she could
I
put her
understand.
phone in my
I
face.
heard you out, right? All right, miss. What's your last name?
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
You're in a bit of a bind, okay? Because she's alleging and she's being cooperative, right? You understand what I'm telling you?
And you're not.
Tony,
Nobody touched her.
can you Can you try and
What is your name, Tony?
see if we can pull up footage if they have a camera up there?
Like when I was on the phone with the police station saying there's two. It was all on 911.
Yeah,
It's
that's fine. The
if I say
911 call.
black man is not racist, you know.
I get you. Do me a favor. Just hang out over there.
Yeah, but I want him to know that.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Hang on with her for 1 second. I'm gonna see if you can get her name because we know that she put hands on her.
Yeah, I'm gonna add Diaz because they like Diaz.
We don't want him to stay with us. He feel like he racist.
You can't. You gotta stay
He
here.
didn't say me. He said
Both
her.
of you guys are detained. Both. I'm telling you, you're detained. Listen, you're about
You're
yay close to
racist.
going in
I don't want-
handcuffs.
I don't want-
You are
somebody else
detained.
done with it.
Stay here.
It's not what
I'm
you-
advising you.
I don't
You are
want-
detained.
I
I don't care if you don't want me
What's
here.
your
You are
device,
detained.
Rodriguez?
Detained. Okay.
Rodriguez 263.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure you write
You are
that down.
detained.
I'm not
You don't even know how to say the name right, dummy.
detained.
You are. I'm advising
Put
you. You're
handcuffs
detained.
on me.
You want me to put handcuffs on you? I'll put
That's
handcuffs
when
on
you're
you.
detained. I've been to jail.
It's
I've
not
been to
detained.
prison, so that's when
When
you're
you go
detained.
in
That's not something to brag about.
You're detained or arrested.
Right.
You are
No,
detained.
you don't even,
I'm
got a
advising
job
you.
as
You
a
are
police,
detained.
don't even know what you doing. Stop it. Stop it.
Do you see anyone showing around that would have been an independent witness to this?
No.
But obviously, I mean, I would
No,
talk to your husband,
because
but
it was
he's gonna take your side
No.
because they have witnesses too that are taking her side. You see the problem?
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, we're trying to get the store's
What's
cooperation
them
on that.
three and me in the home? No, they
He was just trying to get him some Twinkies. He wasn't trying to get into no fight with nobody. Shit, it's some honey buns. Sam's be having the good honey buns too.
She came right after me. I'm not bending any fingers and I'm not touching any fingers.
Okay.
She scratched me here under my coat. She grabbed my arm
Yeah.
so hard and scratched me.
Okay.
Pulled my arm back.
We're gonna try to get this video. Did you happen to see if there was cameras facing
No,
that aisle?
no, I'm just
Okay.
saying.
So I guess you're saying it's a new system, so you're not gonna be able to get footage.
They're not gonna be able to get footage.
Not today.
Uh-oh. So it's he say versus she say.
We have to document everything regardless, right? So I already got her.
Listen, at this point, she's been more cooperative. She's got marks on her arm, and you don't even want to give us your name.
I never touched her, so I don't know how she got
I
marks on her
understand.
arm.
You are-
I never touched that lady.
Okay, that's
Now
fine.
I'm not giving you my name because now I feel like y'all purposely doing this to try to accuse me of some shit that I did not do.
I asked you, didn't I? I asked you what happened, and I'm like,
You
okay.
saw this bitch got marks
And
on her arm.
now-
I did it. I never touched her. What about my arm? What about my hand?
You can't see him, baby. You about the color of your jacket.
I asked you if you
I
had
got
any
marks on my hand.
Okay, well, like she's got marks on her arm too.
I never
so
touched
if you're
her.
telling me that she put hands on you, and you're my victim, but what is your name? You're not giving me your name, right?
Rock Shalonda.
So what are we doing? Why are you, what's going on? She's saying that
Well,
somebody hit
she's
her.
alleging that lady put hands on her first. Okay.
But first of all, the lady said that I hit her.
However,
She
if she-
said that he hit her.
Exactly. He
So
told
who
me
hit
her
her?
story so messy. She don't know who hit her. Who touched her?
She said you specifically.
Can
and
you
that
stop recording? Because this ain't shit to record.
People can record you. And, like, yeah, sure they can. Okay, listen. Listen.
I would have been like, world star.
My uncle's on his way anyway. He's a sheriff.
All right. If you're my victim, I need your cooperation. And you
I,
need to-
I highly doubt your uncle is a sheriff.
Trying to do here? I did not
What am I
touch
trying to
that
do?
lady, bro. I did not touch her.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't want to go to jail. I did not touch her. Why would I touch her? I don't even know that bitch.
I'm asking you for your cooperation, and you have given me nothing. You won't even
I
give
did
me your
just
name. And
cooperate.
she-
I just told you what happened.
Okay, so I need your name if you're my victim, right? You're alleging she put hands on
But
you
y'all saying
first.
she's a victim.
Right.
Of course she's gonna say she's the victim. She's
She
the one who
just
called.
said all of us hit her. Now she's trying to narrow down to she just
Well, I
hit
tried
her.
explaining to you what she
So
said,
which
but you
one
keep
just
talking
hit-
over
I
me.
don't, you ain't getting to the point, so why you trying
So-
to say anyone?
You
Talking about my uncle on his way.
you
He's a
haven't
sheriff.
given
So
us
when he get
anything to
here,
work here.
we'll get to the
Yeah,
bottom of it.
okay.
We'll get to the bottom of it. He's a sheriff.
Okay,
Go away.
that's fine.
Go away.
If you don't got no jurisdiction over here, it don't matter.
Do me a favor, miss. I need you to turn around and put your
What
hands
do
behind your
you-
back,
what do you
okay?
want
You're
to
gonna
do?
be placed.
They're trying to take
You're gonna be
me to
placed into
jail.
custody for battery, okay? So I need you to
How
turn
are
around
you
and put your.
taking? She never touched her.
I need you to step away.
She did.
Don't resist. Don't
That's
resist.
I
crazy.
give you my name, sir. I did not touch it. Can y'all please believe me when I say
Put
this?
your hands behind your back for me.
They didn't run no camera. This lady is sitting here lying. G. She never touched this lady, bro.
So it was you.
Give me your phone and stuff. Can I get her phone and stuff? So I can
Back
call
up. Swat in my head one more time. You're going to handcuffs.
touching me. You're
Back
touching
up.
me. You
Back
you're
up.
touching
You are
me.
interfering with
You're
arrest.
touching me.
Back.
Don't grab my hand. Don't grab my hand. Stop
Somebody got to stay out of jail so they could take the cousin home. God dang.
resisting. Stop.
I'm not scared of you.
That's fine.
I'm not scared
That's
of you.
fine.
I'm not scared of
That's
you.
fine.
You don't scare
That's
me.
fine.
I'm not scared
That's
of you.
fine.
So what's
That's
up?
fine.
What's up? I'm
That's
not scared
fine.
of you. I'm not scared of
That's
you.
fine.
I'm not scared of you.
No, y'all cannot take my phone. I'm not resisting. I'm not
You need
resisting.
to let go of your phone.
Why?
You
No.
are in custody.
Oh.
Got my
I'm not
face.
going to get out of your. I'm
What
going to
you
stand
talking
here.
about? Yeah,
I'm going to
I
just stand here.
bet. I bet.
Guess what? Because I can still stand here just as much as you
I
can.
bet.
Just nasty attitudes all the way around.
I bet. Yup.
Yeah. Still not doing anything though,
Yeah.
right?
Next.
That's right.
Why would I
That's
touch
right.
you? Why would I touch you? I did 6 years in prison for
Oof.
touching y'all. Why would I touch you again?
That's something to
Why
flex
would I
on.
touch you again?
That's something to flex
yeah,
on.
it's a lesson learned. Know the difference.
233 Tom, when it comes to
Now for the walk of shame.
Y'all let me go. I'm gonna show y'all last something.
Okay, sounds good. Keep saying that on camera.
I don't give a fuck.
Saying
Y'all
that on
ass
camera.
going off hearsay.
Yeah.
Y'all don't even run the cameras that bad. Hey, bitch. Y'all hurt my arm. Y'all.
If we can get her name. Stand up. We're not doing this.
I ain't gonna catch you. I wouldn't even be acting like this. I would have just got a lawyer and got it dismissed because it's hearsay.
Stop tensing up.
I'm not. Y'all making me sick. Did I hit that lady? No. Exactly.
Well, where's your witnesses when we
Right
need them?
there.
I asked you for
I didn't know
cooperation.
what they was at.
I asked you for cooperation. You wouldn't even give me your name. So this is where we're at now.
Yeah, you kind of fucked yourself when you didn't do that.
Bro, this shit lame as bro. I did not touch that.
Okay. So it's not up to me to decide, right? It's up to a judge.
That's weird. I got 3 kids at home. My baby is sick as a dog.
Well, I'm sorry, but that's
Please.
not my fault.
No.
How sick do dogs get? I always hear that term, but I never like know the true meaning of it. What do dogs get that sick?
Stop.
I'm not.
Squad, get back inside. You're under arrest. Put your phone.
Shoot me.
Now she. Oh,
You kicked me in the face.
I
whoa.
didn't try to.
Huh? You kicked me in the face.
I didn't try to, sir.
Put your leg inside.
I would have been like Webby off that song. You. What?
Put your leg inside.
You guys got to YouTube that song. It's a really good song when you're mad.
I'm a newborn at home. Please, I didn't try to kick you. You hurt
You
me.
just kicked me in the face.
I apologize.
You just
sir.
kicked me in the face.
I apologize.
Put your foot inside.
Can I talk to you though, please? Don't touch me.
Back off.
Now, once you kick me in the face, we ain't got shit to talk about.
Back off.
I'm not. Don't
Back
touch
off.
me. Don't
Back
touch me.
off.
Don't touch me.
Back off.
Don't touch me.
Back off.
Don't touch me.
Back off.
My uncle coming.
Back off. That's fine.
She want to go back to prison so bad.
I wish she would.
Watch.
I wish she would.
Watch.
I wish she would.
Stop trying to run out.
I did not hit him. I did not hit that lady, bro.
Bend your knee.
I did not hit
Bend
her.
your knee. Stop.
No.
Gee, they in the car hitting her with batons and shit.
No, they're not. They're not.
They're hitting her.
Not even macing
They're
her.
hitting her. They're hitting her in the car.
I didn't try to kick him. You did kick him. I didn't try to. You kicked him. Let me go.
Trying and doing it is two totally different
You
things.
hurt my leg. You break my leg. You get in trouble. Ah!
Whose car is it? Take her. Take her. Take her.
Shut your ass up. Shut your ass up. You ass. I bet you want to talk like that. I bet you want to talk like that. I bet you want to talk like that.
Just go. Go ahead.
That was a good friend moment right there. They're gonna bond over this.
Walk home. Walk home. Walk home.
Why? I didn't even touch that lady, bro.
Yeah, well, now you touched her and you kicked me and you kicked my partner, so
Sir, I did not try to kick y'all.
good job. You turned a misdemeanor into a felony. Good job.
I apologize. It was a replay.
Yeah.
The woman was charged with battery and assault on a peace officer.
Damn! Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. We out. Oh, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button. As it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We